The Western Wildflower Farm is located north of the town of Moora on the Midlands Road. It's run by the Tonkin family. The name Tonkin should be known to anybody who's familiar with Western Australian history, as one of our premiers, John Tonkin, ran affairs for the state for quite some time. Whenever we're in the area, we call in at the Wildflower Farm, mostly because there's a great little video to watch, and even though we've watched it 2 or 3 times, every time we're in there, we enjoy it just as much as we did the first time we saw it. The video was done by Mike Leyland. Unfortunately, Mike has since passed away. When you drop into the Wildflower Farm, you'll meet Rhonda, who looks after the front end of the operations and any tourists who happen to drop in. The main business of the Wildflower Farm is actually sheep and producing dried wildflowers for the export market. It's a great little place to stop. There's a good gift shop and free tea and coffee. So if you're passing, we certainly suggest you drop in and have a look around. Souvenirs in the place are quite cheap, and the dried wildflowers are some of the cheapest you're going to find anywhere. Of course, the best time to visit the Wildflower Farm is during wildflower season, which stretches from August to October. If you have a chat with Rhonda, she'll let you know where the best places around the farm are to see wildflowers and where the best blooms are within the Moora area.